So hi children. So in that previous video we discussed up to 11 questions Noma. So in this video we are going to discuss the questions from 12 onwards. Okay. So let us see the 12th question. What is that? X square minus 300 is equal to 0. So here x term is not there, b term is equals to 0. Okay. So from this one x square is equal to minus 300 become as plus 300. Okay. So now here x is equal to square root of 300. Okay, square become as square root. So here x is equal to square root of, here we can write this one as 3 into 100. 3 into 100. So x is equal to square root of, here we can write this one as 3 into 10 square. Okay, we can write this one as root 3 into square root of 10 square. So square and root gets cancelled. So we are having here plus or minus 10 root 3. Okay, plus or minus 10 root 3. So what are the roots here? 10 root 3 or minus 10 root 3. So these two are the roots. Am I clear to you? So 10 root 3. First one is the answer. And minus 10 root 3. Second one also answer. So that's why here option C is correct. That is both A and B. Am I clear to you? Yes. So next third option, next 13th one. What is that here? X square plus of A minus B into X is equal to AB. Okay. X square plus A minus B into X is equal to AB. So here first write in that general form of a quadratic equation. So x square plus a minus b into x plus ab become as minus ab is equal to 0. Okay. So from this one find the roots. So x is equal to, apply that quadratic formula here. Okay. So minus b is equal to a minus b into, okay, minus b plus or minus square root of b square, a minus b whole square, b square minus 4 into a is equal to here 1 and c is equal to minus ab. Okay, minus 4ac whole by 2a. So 2 into 1. Understand? So which is equals to minus of a minus b plus or minus square root of here a square plus b square minus 2ab and here minus into minus is plus 4ab whole by 2. From this one minus of a minus b plus or minus square root of, here a square plus b square minus 2ab plus 4ab. So minus 2ab plus 4ab is equal to plus 2ab. So we will get this one as a square plus b square plus 2ab whole by 2. So a square plus b square plus 2ab, that is the formula for that a plus b whole square. Okay. So minus of a minus b plus or minus square root of, this is a square root of a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab whole by 2. So which is equals to minus of a minus b plus or minus square and root gets cancelled. So this is a plus b whole by 2. Now simplify this. X is equal to minus a plus b and first I am taking that positive. So plus a plus b by 2 or minus a plus b. Now I am taking here negative sign. So minus into a is minus a, minus into plus is minus b whole by 2. Clear? So plus b and minus b gets cancelled. Here minus a plus a gets cancelled. So 2b by 2 or minus 2a by 2. So 2 and 2 gets cancelled, 2 and 2 gets cancelled, which is equals to b or minus a. So what are the roots here? Minus a or b? Minus a, b. So which option is correct here? Yes, option C is correct. Okay. So let us see the next question, 14th one. Yes, 14th one. This is also just like the previous one only. See that. But here at the place of x, they given here 3x. Okay. So, 3x plus a into 3x plus b, which is equals to ab. So, from this one, here 3x into 3x, which is equals to 3 3 is 9x square plus 3x into b is equal to 3bx plus a into 3x is equal to 3ax plus a into b is equal to ab, which is equals to ab. So, ab and ab gets cancelled. Why? Because both also having that same sign and lies on both sides of the equation. Okay. So, from this one, which is equals to 9x square plus here 3bx plus 3ax is equal to 0. Okay. From these three terms also we can take that one of the term as common. What is that? Here 9x square, 3x and here 3x. Okay. So, I want to take that 3x as common. I want to take 3x as common from the total. Okay. So, here 3x already we taken as common now. So, the leftover 3x is there plus here b plus a, which is equal to 0. So, again this is in the form of the product of two expressions is equal to 0. So, any one of the expression must be equal to 0, no? So, 3x is equal to 0 or 3x plus a plus b is equal to 0. Okay. So, here x is equal to 0 by 3, again you will get it as x is equal to 0 or 3x is equal to, here a plus b, totally take that sign. So, that one become as a minus of a plus b. Plus of a plus b become as minus of a plus b. So, from this one, x is equal to minus of a plus b whole by 3. Whole by 3. So, here which options are correct now? So, x is equal to 0 satisfying and x is equal to minus a plus b by 3. Okay. So, which option is correct here? Yes, option C is correct. Understand? Now, see that the last question, 15th one. Yes. 15th one, what they given here? X square minus of 1 plus root 2 into x plus root 2 is equal to 0. Understand? So, from this one here, again find that by using quadratic formula. Okay. So, x is equal to, what is the quadratic formula? Minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So, here minus b. So, minus of minus, here minus of minus, again you will get it as positive only, no? So, directly I am writing here 1 plus root 2 plus or minus square root of, here minus whole square you will get it. So, that is why again that is positive only, no? So, that is why here I am taking that one as 1 plus root 2 whole square minus 4 into a is equal to 1 and c is equal to root 2. 4ac whole by 2a. So, 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Clear? Now, simplify this. 1 plus root 2 plus or minus square root of, just derive this one ma, 1 plus root 2 whole square, which is in the form of a plus b whole square. So, just write the identity, a square plus b square root 2 whole square is 2. A square plus b square plus 2ab, 2 into 1 into root 2, 2ab minus 4 root 2 whole by 2. Okay. So, from this one, which is equals to, here 1 plus root 2 plus or minus square root of, here 1 plus 2 is 3 minus, here 2 root 2 minus 4 root 2, which is equals to 2 root 2 whole by 2. So, children, in that third concept we will discuss about that square root of that 3 minus 2 root 2. At that time I will explain you this one very briefly. So, directly I will tell you that answer here. Here 2 we can write the factors. So, factors of 2, 1 and 2. So, at this cases how to find that square roots of 3 minus 2 root 2, like this any numbers, complex numbers is there, means how to write that square root. Okay. Then easily we can write this one as 3 minus 2 root 2 is there. So under that root, here which number is there? To that number we have to take the factors. Okay. So 1 and 2 are the factors. Understand? So the addition of these two factors must be equal to this number. Okay. So this is in the form of square root of a minus 2 root b. So the factors of b should be, its sum should be equals to a. Factors means here x and y are the factors, then x plus y should be equals to a. Understand? Here this is in the form of square root of a minus 2 root b. Okay. Here 2 is there, then only this is possible, and that is for that square root. Okay. In that third concept I will explain you very briefly. So here the factors of b. So the factors of b are x and y. The sum of x and y should be equals to a. Okay. So that is satisfied or not, that type of numbers are there or not. So here 1 and 2 are the factors of 2 and the sum of 1 and 2 is 3 or not. So this is satisfying? Yes. So we can write this one as 1 plus root 2 plus or minus square root of root 2 minus root 1 whole square. Square and root gets cancelled, whole by 2. So which is equals to 1 plus root 2 plus or minus root 2 minus root 1. Okay, whole by 2, which is equals to 1 plus root 2. Here first I am taking that positive, plus root 2 and here minus root 1 by 2, or 1 plus root 2 minus root 2 plus root 1 means that is 1 only, no, whole by 2. Understand, ma? So here plus 1 and here minus 1. Root 1 means again that is minus 1 only, no? So that's why 2 root 2 by 2, or root 2 and root 2 gets cancelled. So 1 plus 1 is 2 by 2. So 2 by 2 that is 1 and here 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So the value is root 2. So here we got that root 2 or 1. Okay. So which option is correct, ma? Here option A is correct. Okay. Why? Because option A is a positive root 2. So we should not go for that second option. And the third option, in third option also plus or minus is there, which means positive is there. But here plus or minus, which means two values also existing here. Okay. But our answer is root 2 and 1. So 1 is not there. So we have to go for that root 2. Understand, ma? So here the answer is option A. So up to here children, this worksheet completed. So in that next video again we will meet with the next concept.